Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we are making a carrots and banana cake. So these are these four ingredients. We have flour here, we have sugar, of course our main ingredient, the banana and carrots, and we have a 5 eggs. At the same time we have a vanilla extract or essence. We have a original baking powder. We have milk, so we just prepare this one. Then I'm going to show you how I make this carrot and banana cake. So I'm done with peeling this carrot, so I'm going to go with this one using this grater, this whatever you call it one. So you have to grate from the small size. Okay, see, like that. After grating, we have to smash this banana. And right after that, we can continue to mix our ingredients. Oh, these are banana. We have to smash this one. So I use the gloves. Then take note, I wash this one first to remove the powder. Then we have to smash using by hand. So before I mix all my ingredients, so I have to preheat this oven, digital oven, 220 Celsius, so 1 hour preheated. Then after that we can mix our ingredients. So if you like to taste stinky or malangsa your cake, so you have to separate that egg yolk and egg white, separate it first and mix with the sugar, the egg, yellow egg. So let's start. To mention, I have to put some butter, a half butter. Kasi gusto ko mga ibabaw yung lasa ng carrot at saka banana. Okay? So, hindi na gusto siya lahat. Alright? Kasi sobrang dami nito. So, separate ko lang siya for a regular cake. Just like that. Then put the carrots. Alright. Look like that. So we're done. This is for the carrots and banana cake. So these are like watery and soft. And we have a regular cake here, a chiffon cake, as you can see. And we have a overtones cupcake. So we're done. Just like that.